Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 pickup. On the exterior of the Sierra, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, forward collision alert system, and front pedestrian braking system. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, power sliding rear window, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch color LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 GMC Sierra has less than 36,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.